A lot of folks are vacationing as well, so you have to add the population on top of that. I have to believe that with the data that I've been seeing here, that this entire region likely has been underwater from that tsunami, with an 8.8 being so close near the coast there. So we are talking about potential widespread destruction here, not only from an earthquake, we have that story, and now we have the tsunami here. And we're going to continue to see this propagating with the waves over the next several hours here. Just imagine if you are in essentially an airport and you're taking a plane and you're going to another country. The plane flies about 500 miles an hour. That's about the speed that the wave is going to travel here. So you're not going to get from Chile to Hawaii in just a few minutes, right, even if you're traveling on an airplane. So we do have hours upon hours to warn folks across the rest of the Pacific Basin, and that's why the warning has gone out for this 8.8 that is likely going to be causing immediate destruction across Chile, but the propagating wave certainly will continue to spread. As far as, my goodness, Russia heading out towards the Philippines, Japan under that as well. Like I mentioned, the entire Pacific Basin, Betty, under that tsunami warning. We'll continue to follow it here. But the data that I've been seeing compared, if you remember last year we had that Samoa earthquake that caused devastation. The wave heights that I've been seeing from the buoys are actually double of what we saw last year in Samoa. So you can imagine here that we are going to be seeing, as the light begins to come in, some severe destruction, not only from the earthquake at 8.8, which is a great earthquake, but also from the tsunami. And keep in mind, if you think about Haiti, we have that 7.0 with that strike slip with the plates going side to side. That doesn't generate that upward lift that you get, that you need for a tsunami, right? 7.0, when you get from 7.0 to 8.0, that's 32 times the magnitude. You multiply that by 32, and you get 1,024, which would be a 9.0. So we're close, basically, to talking about here 1,000 times more energy displaced from that rupture, from that earthquake, than we saw in Haiti. And you saw the devastation in Haiti there. Of course, the buildings are built differently in this region. We have the different topography here. But even if you design a building, if you engineer a building to be earthquake-proof, you are still going to get damage from an 8.8. Think of San Francisco. If San Francisco got an 8.8 earthquake, there's going to be some significant damage to the buildings because not all of them are set up to withstand that kind of force. And so here, I have to believe that not only are we going to see devastation from the earthquake, but also with the tsunami. And like you said, Betty, the aftershocks continue. We've clocked some at around 6.9, which in itself could cause additional damage. One building doesn't go down, you get a 6.9, it's coming down.